Today I'm going to be making black chicken herbal stew. This is a really traditional soup that I eat whenever I'm tired, I'm stressed from work, I feel like I have no energy. This is the chicken. I've defrosted mine for a day. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long. A lot has happened in the last week, so I really needed to take a personal break just to regather myself. And yeah, I'll tell you, I'm hungry, y'all. I'll tell you more about why I took my break and what's happened to me and keep you guys up to date and catch up. So yeah, I got off work early today, so if the lighting looks a little different, it's because there's sunlight out. The topic for today is actually the real reason why I started YouTube, and specifically like, you know, mukbang and cooking. That's hot. The real reason why I started YouTube was because, you know, recently a lot of people have been disappearing out of my life. I mean, it happens as you get older. And I realized that life is short. If you watched my previous Uber experience video, in that one I discussed what happened to me and how close I was to actually, you know, dying. Ever since that moment that happened, that's actually what catapulted me to start all this, because I realized, you know what, if I'm gone tomorrow, I want to make sure that I at least did one thing that I always wanted to do, and I need to stop giving myself fucking excuses and just do it. With all the near-death experiences that I've had up until my point in my life right now, I realized that I don't want to go without at least doing something that means a lot to me. And this means probably the world to me right now. It's truly helped with my happiness. Before this, I was just living my life aimlessly in a job that I wasn't happy about, in a job that was putting me in danger. And yeah, things have been looking up. I started a new job. Some of you may not know because you're new to my channel, but if you know me in real life, then you'll know that I started a new job and I kind of left my old life behind, which is kind of bittersweet because sometimes I miss it, but then some days I wake up really loving what I do right now, which is so crazy. If any of you are ever doubting yourself, or you have people doubting you, my best advice is to shut the fuck up, stop doubting yourself, and also don't listen to those haters, because they don't know you, and the more hate you receive, the more drive you have to want to excel at what you want to do. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see what's in here. We have the chicken feet again. This is my favorite part. I made sure I put this in. This is the leg. I'm gonna start eating this first. While I was driving home, I had so many things I wanted to talk about, but for some reason when I film, I lose a lot of those thoughts. This soup is so relieving. On to the good things that have happened to me. Let me go ahead and show you. I went to Korea recently and I lost my phone. So for the last 6 months I was using this really old Android. I was trying to save up for this. Yay! And I know some of you Android users are gonna be like, oh, iPhones are so dumb. Why do you use them? They're for dumbasses. Well, because I like iPhone, okay? Number 2 of good things that have happened this week. I got a new car. So yeah, the week wasn't all too bad. Since I've been gone though, what I thought was really crazy was, even though I haven't been uploading, you know, I've been checking my channel just to make sure that I keep up with everyone's comments and everything. And I'm at 72 subscribers now. When I last posted my tteokbokki video, I was at 50, I think, or 50 something. Seriously, thank you all. I'm so happy. Now I'm almost at 100 and I'm so excited. I'm trying to eat this fast because my boss is going to be here with his kids in like 30 minutes. So I gotta eat fast. I'm sorry. I feel so much better after drinking this. I just want to let you guys know that I am very, very grateful for all of you that are watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. And some of you, shout out to Mukbang Lassi, and I believe, hold on, let me check. So in my last video, I had people guess how many soju bottles I could drink, and 2 people guessed it right. Tammy Koi, who's my friend, shout out to you. Tammy, you already knew, so that's kind of unfair. And the second one is Yumi Corn Eats. She just recently subscribed and watched that video, and she was spot on. Thank you so much for believing in me and thinking I can drink that much. Anyways, that's all for today. I will be back with another video. I plan on filming this one's probably gonna come up on a Friday. And then I do plan on filming a seafood boil this weekend because my sister and I are craving it. I think she might be in my mukbang unless she has plans. We'll see. But I'm eating king crab, okay? I already put it in my schedule. No one's bothering me that day. I'm not going anywhere to eat. I'm eating king crab at home. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!